dude, I've been at this red light for so long. Definitely not gonna be able to catch up to that guy, but whatever. Oh my gosh. What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Oh my gosh. We're going to the Porsche dealership right now. I'm doing a little POV in between. But yeah, man, I'm going to Germany. This is gonna be probably my last video before I fly out to Germany again, which is cool. I'm hyped for sure, but it just like, it ruins the flow of everything. You know, I'm trying to hustle here, learn as much as I can, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Dude, this car is freaking amazing, bro. Oh yeah, dude, this thing. Dude, why? There's a lineup of Camaros with slicks. What? They parked way over here. That's actually so BA. See, I need to find a squad like that. Bro, there's so many freaking... I can't believe this is like down the street from where I live, bro. This ain't even it, bro. This is like, there's so many nice cars here too. It's wild. Like this is like the overflow parking lot. There's still BA cars here. Bro, these cars are so sick. Oh my god. Riding with my homie with the Redeye, dude. It's such a clean freaking car. Dude, they sound so... I love this car so much, bro. There's something about this car that's just so unique, dude. Sports mode, it like slips a little bit more, but you can actually control it decently. Dude, these cars are so BA, man. Just gotta focus on making more. You know, there's so many other ways to make money, and the cool thing is that you can use your 9 to 5. You can still be working 9 to 5. You just gotta take more risk. That's it. Like that guy with the Redeye, dude, he's taking so much risk. It's actually insane. Like literally, the only way to actually make money is taking risks. Scared money doesn't make money, bro. Blessed with another day, bro. Such a beautiful day, man. I love Saturdays, bro. Dude, this car sounds insane. But yeah, man, boys, just keep working hard, take risks. You know, don't rush it. It's all about patience, man. Spend the next 5 years learning a trade. You know, just find a career that can make, at least you can grow every year. That's the most important thing. Sounds crazy. Holy. Gosh. Definitely, dude, election's gonna be crazy. Like whoever's gonna be president next. You don't even have to gas this car to enjoy it. You just gotta go like slow. The whine and the exhaust is like everything, dude. It's 2-in-1, bro. Supercharged and V8. Just sounds crazy. channel support. The average watch time on our videos are like going up like crazy. I guess now like it's kind of like those YouTubers that just like drive their motorcycle and just talk. It's like the same thing right now. Like I guess that's the kind of YouTuber I'm becoming, bro. Everyone just watches me, and most people like DM me like, bro, like the stuff you say is so inspirational. Because I mean, like all I can do is just tell you guys to just work harder, because that's what I've done. But one thing I will say is I don't recommend buying these kind of cars, for sure. Definitely invest your money, for sure. Because there's so many ways to make money, like I said, but you need all you need is capital, and you don't want to put your capital on a car just because it doesn't appreciate, literally. But like I said, there's always, you know, cars. You have to have a bigger purpose than just pleasure. Oh my gosh, I didn't even record, but I didn't even record what I just did. No. I hate when that happens when you don't record. But what I was saying pretty much is that buying this car is cool. You definitely get used to the whine. I remember like back in the day, I used to like watch these videos and daydream about freaking being inside a Redeye or a Hellcat. You definitely get used to the whine, but you still enjoy the car. But if you're not making a lot of money, it's not really worth that enjoyment. It's like it's better just to reinvest your money somewhere else. Like I feel like what's more logical for me is like, instead of buying a house for myself, I'd rather buy a rental. Because I mean, if you just look up the tax benefits of buying a rental, there's a lot, obviously. For now, I'm gonna just wait it out. Just keep buying rentals. My goal is to buy at least one rental this year. Definitely recording videos like back to back is like pretty draining, dude. That's why I like recording like every 3 days, because it's just like, you know, there's so many things to talk about, so many things happen during the week. The reason why I like going to is also like another reason why going to Porsche meets is so nice. Like even though this Hellcat is super expensive, dude, the connections and the networking I've done with this car is honestly insane. When you network with the right people, there's so much opportunity. That's when you start realizing there's so many people make money in so many ways. It's just unreal. Sketch, bro. I should not be in this lane right now. Usually I'll be like sending it, but there's just way too many cars. Oh goodness. Dude, everyone's going like 20 below right now. It's actually crazy. I gotta take this to the neighborhood. I gotta take this for sure to the neighborhood. Oh my goodness. Yeah, actually grip's pretty decent, I'm gonna be honest, bro. I'm in sports mode too. The grip's really decently. Fourth gear sounds insane. Goodness. Oh my goodness. To take this car through neighborhoods is probably like the most satisfying thing. Especially like with these kind of streets, you know, there's like not houses, just like straight roads. That's what I love about like the outskirts of LA. There's just so many residents. Oh my goodness. Dude, if I can make some bread off real estate, and like also because I've been investing into really good dividend stocks, that's kind of what been giving me like the idea of buying more cars, or you know, buying more buildings. It's because like the compounding effect is like such a powerful effect if you look over like the next 5 years. So I have not exactly a strategy, but I'm just reinvesting a lot of my money. I'm gonna see what happens in the next couple of years. But for the way I have set up, dude, I should be able to get some like really good cash flow just passively. That's the goal. That's the main goal. Definitely the stock market is crazy. Like I remember the stock market was like crashing. Everyone thought that's it. Everyone's like, everyone thought it would go even lower. And honestly, I thought the same thing. But now there's new highs within over a year. Like that's crazy, man. Definitely like just averaging down, buying more every year is the best thing you could do, honestly. Because if you did, dude, you made some crazy dough. And off the index funds too. We're not even talking like penny stocks. I would never recommend penny stocks. It's just not even worth it. Dude, so aggressive, it's unreal. Also, I've been like low-key looking at Arizona, dude. I feel like Arizona, even though it's freaking hot there, it's better for like income wise. You know, the income tax is less there. California needs a lot of work, dude. There's like being a worker here is just not like, it sucks, dude. Taxes are so high here, it's unreal. So you really have to be a business person or like have a side business to like even like live good. I wish there was a way for me to like have this car drive with like a robot or something. I would love to like see it from the outside. Like I want to be able to like hover, like I don't know, I want to get like spectator mode, you know? If I didn't have warranty, I would have no peace of mind. Honestly. Dude, this car makes way too much noise. I'm so happy the cops here are dope, dude. You know, that's why I've been trying to like, kind of like, when I drive, I kind of try to keep it chill. Obviously, this car has a lot of power, so it's gonna sound crazy, but realistically, I'm not going that fast. Because I mean, everyone calls this car slow, so freaking, I'm going slow, but it just sounds crazy. Amazing, dude. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like if you're enjoying it. Thank you for everybody that actually watches it through. It's kind of sick, dude. We're getting crazy watch time, and I'm just talking about life. I think this is like all preparation, man. I think in a couple years, I'm gonna be looking back and everything I'm saying, you know, I know for a fact something's gonna happen, dude, because I'm hustling every single freaking day. Like I'm focusing on my career the most. After work, I'm still focusing on other things, learning as much as I can. Since I have capital to work with, that's what motivates me. Like having the capital to work with is the most important thing. Without that, there's nothing. So that's why like I'm really focusing on where can I put my capital? Like what can I do with what I have now, you know? What the fudge is a Lambo? Hellcat. Why have I never seen that person here? Oh, dude, oh my gosh, Nate goes to them right now. Dude, I've been at this red light for so long. Definitely not gonna be able to catch up to that guy, but whatever. Oh my gosh. That's actually unreal. Alright, where's this guy at? No, dude, he's gone. I'm gonna start driving this car more chill. Cause gassing is cool too, but like just enjoying the wine is everything to me, honestly. Like eventually I want to put the cats back on and just enjoy the wine. Like you can definitely hear the wine really well, but dude, it's way even more vivid when all the pipes are on. Cause mid muffler is all you really need. It still sounds crazy. The only thing though is like to hear the hear the exhaust really well, you have to roll down the windows. That's what's kind of nice about the Catless. You can hear it with like the window barely rolled down, but then it's like obnoxiously loud. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. Make sure you guys keep grinding, man. Keep putting God first, because he'll lead the way, bro. He will steer the boat, but you gotta row. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.